These are some of the most heart-stopping crosswind landings ever captured on film, moments when pilots wrestle Mother Nature and win barely. We begin at Leeds Bradford in the UK, where a TUI 737 fights its way through gusts pushing 45 knots. The jet approaches in a steep crab, nose pointed far off the runway, heading just to stay on course. As the runway rushes up, the pilot kicks the rudder straight at the last second, drops the left wing, and plants the wheels with a puff of smoke textbook, but only just. Next, we're in Bilbao, Spain. A Ryanair 737 from Manchester slices through a vicious left crosswind clocked at 38 knots. The right wingtip kisses the pavement in a shower of sparks, yet the crew keeps it tracking dead center. They reject the landing, climb away on full power, and nail it on the second try, smoother, cleaner, but the first attempt still makes your palms sweat. Cut to Madeira's infamous cliff edge runway. A tap, a 320 drops like a stone through wind shear, the sink rate spiking 500 feet a minute beyond normal. The mains slam down, the nose bounces high, but the pilots muscle it back onto the concrete and roll out without drifting an inch over the edge. Over in Amsterdam, a KLM Embraer 190 meets 50 knots straight off the North Sea. It touches left gear first, then the right, teetering like it might cartwheel. Reverse thrust roars, brakes bite, and it screeches to a halt with less than 2,000 feet remaining. Birmingham gives us a heavy jet 2757 in 55-knot gusts. The captain hand-flies the entire approach, touches, lifts off again unintentionally, then slams it down for good on the same piece of asphalt. Pure skill under pressure. Hamburg during winter storm, Sabine shows a Lufthansa, a 320neo, sliding sideways so far, the fuselage nearly clips a runway light. Inside, passengers scream. Outside, the jet straightens at the last moment and taxis in like nothing happened. Which one made your stomach drop? Tell me below and stick around for more aviation that pushes the edge of possible.